types of eye visions. First one is normal, colorblind, and then there's Deuteranopia. Deuteranopia, people who have Deuteranopia can see only yellow shades. People who have Protanopia can only see brown and sandal shades. As their eyes divided into groups, as the veins in your eyes work as the same color as we see. So, Tritanopia can be seen in like aqua blue and maybe like some kind of reddish and pink shades. And tetrachromats are literally a person who can see every single shade in the sharp of an eagle eye. So if you really see 30 shades of pink, blue, all the colors, 30 shades of all colors, then you're a tetrachromat.
Okay. Where did you learn it?
Oh, I just watched it from Brightside.
What is Brightside?
Brightside is like a channel which is full of general knowledge and pretty some fun facts.
Okay. Do you find it interesting?
Oh yeah, I really love it. I have some phrase facts to tell you next time.
Okay. Can you share it now or maybe later?
If you want me to do it now, I can do it now.
Okay.
So, this is really a colliding fact because Mars, Venus are really, literally planets full of alien life.
Okay.
NASA just went to Mars
Okay.
and like they really explored everything. So that's one true fact. And then aliens live on like, you know, hot planets.
Okay.
As the feature depends on the weather
Okay.
of extinct kinds. So that's pretty true. And then next year, NASA is going to travel to Triton, Saturn's 23rd moon, and they're going to see if alien life exists there too.
Okay.
So that sounds pretty cool. And there's Ton 16, which is a big, supermassive black hole, which is going to collide in Earth in 1,000 million years. So let's be careful.
We have to be very careful
Yeah.
for the thing which is going to happen
And
after.
next, NASA's on a mission to move Earth to another people on Earth to another planet because this planet is going to be collided to the sun. In 1.5 billion years, the sun will become supermassive and it'll explode like a giant star.
Okay.
And then it'll become so big that it explodes. All fire will go to Earth and burn it. And then the sun will disappear into a big supernova and Earth will become a giant ball of ice. After I mentioned before, Ton 16, a black hole, is going like crazy and it's going to explode. It's really only 5 light years away from Earth.
Okay.
So we must be really careful as it can swallow Earth.
Okay. Okay, thank you.